I am so keen on giving our bedrooms that seasonal refresh. I've given our master bedroom a bit of that coastal glam vibe using muted palettes of white linens and a few hints of blue accents, as well as giving our master suite linen closet some fresh new linens. I'm reaching for a clean, calm, yet quiet, relaxing, serene bedroom. I've partnered with Shoptagr, and if you're not familiar with Shoptagr, it's a free app and website that will notify you when something you've been wanting and it finally goes on sale. Just download the Shoptagr app by clicking here and get the free button and install it into your computer. It's that simple. You can save items from over 4,000 stores. It's very simple and easy to use. Simply go to your favorite store, choose your item, and click on the blue button on the upper right-hand corner of your screen to save your item. You can choose if you want to be notified when a price change or if it goes down to 25 or 50% off. You can also stay organized by creating lists to keep your items organized. I've customized a new list for my favorite home decor accessories. When you're done, hit save and it will be in your Shoptagr cart. Here are some of my home decor accessories, and when I'm ready to purchase, just click on the item and it will direct you back to the website. Check out normally as you would on any online store to make your purchase. Checking out is super exciting because Shoptagr will scan the web for any coupons that are available online to help you save even more money. You will see a pop-up like this that will scan the web for you to make sure that you get the best deal. Give Shoptagr a try, you guys. You will not regret it. I will leave the link to Shoptagr in my description box. The great thing about having a neutral space is that it gives you the freedom to change your design elements without having to change the color of your walls. Neutrals are classic, calm, and soothing, and you can add a pop of color anytime you want. I changed out our accent color in our master bedroom for blues. It has a feeling of peace, calm, and serenity. Let me share how I've refreshed our master bedroom using pops of blue. I am so in love with the Williams-Sonoma Pink Grapefruit Countertop Spray that's infused with essential oils, grapefruit orange, and it smells so delicious, you guys. I'm giving the hard surfaces in the room the royal treatment. Starting out with some fresh, clean linen on the bed, I love having that luxury hotel look and feel in our bedroom. As I always say, it's very easy to keep them white and clean, and I love using linen spray, but if you don't want to use linen spray, you can use this garment steamer to get the wrinkles out. When placing the top sheet on my bed, I placed the sheet inside out, so when you fold it down, you can show the most beautiful part of your sheet. Then I added a quilt or matelassé, some may call, on my bed. You guys know how much I love using them. They're lightweight, the fabric is breathable, and it's the perfect alternative if you don't want a fluffy looking bed. My pillow collection, you guys, are so out of control. I got them around the holidays and I had them hidden at the bottom of my pillow closet. I don't know. I can't begin to tell you where I got them from. I got a new addition for this bedroom. This mosaic side table brings that modern style to our space. The soft shades of beige and gold highlights mother of pearl on this table. The small hints of blue and gold accessories ties in the entire look. I get so many questions about the bench at the foot of our bed, and it's from American Signature Furniture, and I've had it for quite a few years. It used to be in my home office, but I thought it was better here, and they are currently sold out at their store. Thanks to me using my Shoptagr app, they alerted me that the price had dropped, and I got this bench for $198, you guys. Amazon is selling this same exact bench for $561. I often like to sit here with my blankie and put my feet up on this Ottoman. It's from Wayfair and I got it for under $100. I swapped out the blush glitter wall art for my old mirrors that was in this bedroom before, and I borrowed the blue wall art from the loft. It was a DIY. I will leave a link to both the pink and the blue glitter wall art down below. Every few years, I like to refresh our linens due to everyday use and washing them all the time. They tend to get hard and rough. If the fluff is gone, they gotta go. But I don't throw them away. I donate to the homeless or pet shelters if they need them. These blue and white towels are so pretty. They were my inspiration for decorating with blue this year, and they are from Target, and it's the Threshold brand. You may have seen them in my guest bath refresh video, and I loved them so much I got a few extras for our master bath. Since we don't have a door on our closet, I've added a few blue bins inside the closet filled with hand towels. I love the way this closet looks every time I walk past it with the pops of blues. I've also added fresh washcloths to our pull-out drawer. If you want to see how we converted this closet into an IKEA PAX closet, I'll leave that link down below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, shop your home, try placing items into another room. You may get that instant gratification you was looking for. Be safe out there, and I want to thank you all for watching.